Welcome to my trading channel, and we are going to talk about some hedging in this video. Actually, a lot of subscribers contacted me and they are very much interested in hedging technique, and to be honest, I requested them not to do hedging, but still they are looking for some video that can help them in a right way for hedging. Okay, first of all, let me clear that the hedging technique is basically used by the financial banks and by the banks who have very much large capital, not the people like us, you and me. They are basically big investors, and hedging is suitable for them, and they because they have a lot of capital, and then they can wait for their trades to be profitable. Okay, so what does actually meant by hedging? Hedging means that, for example, I'm here on USD JPY chart. I'm going to, so let me, um, for the concept, let me decrease my volume because it will eat out my all capital. Okay, just a minute, please. Yes, we are there. Okay, so I'm going to open a sell position and I'm going to open a buy position on the same currency at the same time. This is what called hedging. Okay, please forget this commission because I'm using another type of account. So do not look at this -5. Just have a look at this area because you must be using some mini or regular account. Okay, so here you can see that you know that currency moves definitely moves on one side. Either it will go into buy or it will go into sell. So I place my sell and buy on the same currency at the same time. This is what called hedging. Okay, so at this time you can see that my both of the trades are in minus. Okay, so what traders do, uh, they basically wait for one of the trade to become positive, and if they think that they are getting reasonable profits, and after that they close after that they let the other trade floating in the air, and they wait for that the second trade which they do not closed on that time. They wait for that trade to be in a less negative number. Okay, for example, look here, I'm getting about $10, and but my loss is about 18 $19. It means still I'm in a big loss. So this is not an easy thing to do hedging, because if you are entering into hedging, you should have a very big capital and you should have a very strong analysis of your technical analysis. Otherwise you are not going to get benefit from hedging. Okay, so how you can do hedging in a right way? It is never we cannot say that it will never be profitable. To be honest, I did hedging for some months, and when I was a new trader, and I generated a lot of profit from it. But at the end, I concluded that it is the matter of waiting for a long time, and there is a lot of there is a lot of patience required for your hedging, because it is not that much you can say that we cannot get quick money with hedging. This is not possible. Okay, so for hedging, I have attached an indicator which can help you in the right way to do hedging. If you Because I know that you people have very small accounts like $5,000, 2,000, 1,000, and some have under 1K, and so this type of hedging is suitable for small investors. Okay, sorry. Okay, what I have attached FIBO retracement levels indicator on my chart. Okay, what I will do is that I will wait for the market to reach at 100 level or at the 0 level. Okay, so first of all, we should before placing a hedge trade, you should know that which is the trend right now. What is the final direction of the trend? For example, I am going into the day one chart. I can see that it's an uptrend. Okay, our four chart, we can clearly see that this is uptrend. So it will be it will be a very foolish trade if we enter into a sell position here, because this is not a time to enter into a sell position because the market has moved back from after touching this level, because that was the retracement level and that worked for FIBO. You can see that it was a 23.6 level, and FIBO says that after touching their level the market can bounce back, and we can see a clear bounce back here. So it is not wise to place a sell trade here, so it is wise to enter into a buy position here. So how to do hedging? Basically we were talking about that. Okay, we are going some hours earlier ago. We can see the market has touched the 100 level, and that was the retracement level for the FIBO according to the FIBO. So here you can do some hedging. Okay, so what you can do there, you will place sell and buy order at this level. Okay, also you can do if you want to be more safer, if you want to be a more safer person, then it was very wise to place a buy and sell order at this point. Okay, for example, we are ignoring that point. This point is beneficial for long-term traders, but this is for some quick trades of within some hours. Okay, so we are going to talk about this point. Okay, that was the retracement level. So basically the market broke that level, the market did not bounce back, and when the level was broke, then it means that now it is going into sell. But for example, if we placed a buy and the sell trade here at the same time, the market went into sell, but our buy trade went into loss because the market did not went up. Okay, so after waiting for some hour, we waited for our trade to touch 23.6 level, which was the another retracement level for the market, and we can clearly see the market has bounced back it. So what we have to do here, we will place our sell and buy trades here. We will close our sell trade here because we will say that this is the retracement level. So what we will do, we will close our sell position here, and we will keep going our buy position. And after that you can see that if you just make an analysis, that for example we were getting $100 profit at that level on sell position, and at the same time our other trade was in $110 minus. Okay, so it was in loss of $110, but we were getting $100 here. It means that we were originally in a $10 loss if we close our sell position here. So we closed our sell position here and let the other trade in a floating in the air, and now the market has bounced back. So what you can imagine, we have placed our sell and buy position at that level, so we must be our loss that was minus $10 or at that time, but on that time our loss was on a buy position at $110, but at this level our loss must be somewhere about $40, $45. So if you deduct $100 minus $45, that means that you are in a 65% profit. $65 is your profit. So that's how the traders work. Okay, so if you can see here, the market is about to touch 50 level, so that can work for another retracement. So what I will do here, I will close my buy trade here. Now I will expect some maybe there could be some selling opportunity here. So I will wait for my trade to go a little down, and I will also close it on some little loss, not like this. So basically I traded in order to get you people understand that what are the levels for FIBO and how they work and how you can do hedging in this way. Okay, so please do not, I'm again suggesting you not to try hedging, because this is a powerful technique, but it must be used by big banks, not people like us. So we can blow our accounts, but this can be useful also if you trade wisely. And as I have told you, that if you take care of that retracement levels, you can definitely make it. Okay, for example, you can say that I have a sell position right now. That is wrong. That is a wrong approach at the moment, because I have placed this trade only for your understanding. But if it is not a sell position at that time, if it has a buy position at that time, then it's useful, because the long term opportunity is a buy and the market is in a upward momentum. So you can take risk on the upward momentum, not on a sell, because it is kind of an anti-trade. Okay guys, I hope this video tutorial will be so helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel, and please stay in touch with me in comments. And if you want to get in this indicator, you can contact me on makemoneyonline753@gmail.com, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Sorry. Thank you.